Do you know the feeling of frustration when attempts to grow a small account and go nowhere? If you have tried several strategies, you aren't seeing significant progress. This video is for you. Today I'm showing you the method that finally got me out of zero the direction can help you trajectory too. Let's start with today with $43. I got a special surprise just for you. Watch the entire video, you'll be astonished by what's coming. Guys, today we're gonna use classic candles and time frame and move on, or 1 minute. And we're just gonna use only one indicator, RSI. Let's configure that. 5 on period, guys. And we're just gonna use the 50 line with the main line. So just configure that, okay? Click on save. And guys, don't be rushed for that. Now we have all that's configured, so you're ready to start with this. Let's go, guys. Alright guys, in this strategy, the average expiration time is 1 or 2 minutes. Now I choose the 1 minute price the grid button to open that. And find the currency right here. That was interesting while waiting for 10 minutes and so good signal. So to do that analysis together, I try to explain how to work this. Okay, so in the first you need to find in the moment at every signal that is try to hit the lowest point. And the big point for both are below that line. I'll try to make a line for you just to explain this, right? Just make this one right here, right? We got all these points. Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations. 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. Alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. The answers. Right? Sometimes you can look at good or say right weights, and sometimes you can look at this not weight. It's not a problem. For example, I see good strong level on the support here. Look at this. That's this trend and uptrend. So I usually draw a line from below this candle's touches, and there's the pullback. The line is just prevent the price from falling before or just rise. Every side line that's strongly, right? Open trades. And look at that, guys. $48 we got this on that, okay? $6 in the total. That's pretty nice. And this combination of the candles and analysis indicators give us just a profit right here. So that is a good. That is a good start. So let's move on. All right, guys, my favorites. And now I see good resistance on that. The candles partner show the price will fall. And I also see the average line is moving in the middle zone. Look on RSI. Okay, however, unlike the previous trade, I see the lines begin to fall down after correction. It means that the moment can continue. Yeah, it doesn't look perfect either, but it's better than the last signal. All right, I think I figured out how to work with this strategy and have all no questions. The time frame is 1 minute. The expiration time is 1 or 2 minutes. That's up to you. Sometimes every side line should rise or fall. Candles should have a support resistance level. You need to pay attention on that. That's all you need to know, but to understand this better. I recommend you to open and trade within 1 minute after candle have touched the lines. Alright? Don't wait 5 minutes or don't open trade if the lines haven't touched the level yet. This will give you a better chance of making profits. And by the way, you can use virtual lines on that. And look at this, guys. We got another trade on that, $107 in the total. It's worth mentioning that is just one of the strategies that can revitalize your journey in these markets. To become a professional, it's crucial to master the most profitable strategy. But don't worry, I've got just this piece of content for you that'll be the key to your growth. Is you commit to the end of the video and enjoy it, guys. And look at my profits. Alright, and look, that's beautiful and it's good single signal, guys. Let's try to work here. If you have any questions about how much money to use, how to find the money management, the strategy, and other question about use the platform that I talk about every live stream, it's better to open the Telegram where I explain everything in detail, guys, and a pinned message. every day here, I'm showing you a new method that you can use that as well. Remember that is any strategy will not give you guarantees of profits. And in order for it, you need to practice and perhaps add your experience. Yeah, guys. For some people like the indicators or software as something else to my strategy, and that is easier to use general. Do not take risk or work wisely, and your account will grow. Remember that. No one will ever make you rich on the internet. Your psychology or experience are the most important things.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Trading is not easy money. Look at this, guys. $185 in that, okay? That is make profits. We just make a lot of money on this, which is very good for me, and I post continue later. I hope this was useful for you. Write your opinion and the results in the comments if you want it. So right now, wish you good trade sessions, good trade profits, good strategy, and wish you good luck, guys. See you on my YouTube channel. Bye bye.